Welcome to 20 Woodside Square. The most wonderful family home and one of the most picturesque communities here in Fawn Hill. The sellers have lived here for 20 plus years and raised their family. They've done renovations from top to bottom. Oversaw the entire dynamics of the backyard and the new pool and all the renovations that come with that. Whether you're turning the key and going out and discovering this wonderful community, or you're having the family over to hang out, I can't wait to meet one lucky buyer that's going to be able to have this lifestyle.